Hello, once again. Today we continue with our potential discovery process, and today we'll be talking about self awareness. Self awareness is the first thing you can do if you don't want to keep playing the victim of unemployment. We have to change the way we think of education. Before it was fought in a traditional way where we say, okay, school, good grades, good job. Now we change from potential education impact. Okay, to talk to this self awareness, we will start by defining this concept to be aware. To be aware means what? It means having information, knowledge about something. About something means about skills, capacities, strengths, techniques, talents, abilities, experiences. You can also name other things. The Cambridge Dictionary define to be aware like to have knowledge, perception of situation, fact, feeling. It also involves noticing details, understanding your surroundings, being mindful of something that exists. Okay, now you are talking about awareness in a general way. No, let's be specific now. Let's talk to yourself. To be aware of yourself, which is self-awareness. Now it means now you have knowledge, you have information, now you understand about yourself. You understand about your capacities, you understand about your skills, you understand about your strengths, you are understanding about your techniques, you are understanding about your experiences, you can name things. Being specific, be aware of your potential. Let me start by saying this. Be aware of your potential. Be aware of your skills, be aware of your capacities, be aware of your strengths, be aware of your techniques, be aware of your talents, be aware of your abilities, experiences, and name other things that you can be aware of about yourself. Okay, now that you understand, now that you have information, now that you know about yourself, what now you can do? Think of its development because now you understand your value. Start thinking, start asking yourself, what education do I need to develop this potential I have already identified? Which tools, which intellectual tools I need? Which people do I need? Which mentors do I need? Which books do I need to read? Which internship can I take? Or which courses, which additional courses that I can take? Because today, many resources are available on the internet. You can use the internet and you can teach yourself about something so that you can make sure it is helping or it is adding brick to the construction of what you want to build. But I think the only problem here, so often we lie to ourselves that we can be everything. But it's not true. We are not everything. We cannot add value to everything. We are not, that is why we are different. That's why even the community has so many people. Then we are so many so that we can complete each other. But of course, you have your value. You have what you can bring to the society as a value. Do it. Do yourself. Do it. But make sure it is yourself. It is yourself. It is the things that you have already identified that you need to build. So I want to say this because since you have already knew what are your capacities, what are your skills, what are your strengths, what you need to develop. And now you have choose the education you need, you have found the people you need, you have taken the internship you need, you have taken the trainings you need, now you have connecting everything you need so that you can develop your potential. Now you are creating value, you are being creative, you are being innovative, you are being impactful. Everything will start to align. Jobs will align, opportunities will align, business will align, employers will align. The community will feel it, even the world will feel it. Then they will identify you. You are no longer a victim of unemployment. You are creating opportunities. You are adding value. You are solving problems. You are bringing solutions. Things will naturally align. Will naturally align because you are creating value to someone's life, to the community needs. You are creating the impact. Thank you for your attention. I hope we take this journey, we be true to ourselves so that we can be creating impact and not playing the victim of unemployment. Thank you again for your attention. Thank you.